Every Sunday I tell my friends, meet me at the farmer's market. It's my jam.
Really?
I keep telling you guys, it's all about these organic kumquats. Try them. California grown. Straight from my man Derek, yeah. My carbon footprint is like invisible.
I can't stop eating this sun-dried tomato pesto. How do you do it, Alan?
Seriously, there's no more enjoyable way to support local farmers and protect the environment than to shop at your neighborhood certified farmers market.
Yes, the food here is fresh, affordable, and most of all, it's insanely delicious.
Are those asparagus? Sorry, excuse me, they're in season right now.
Oh, okay. And that's my tamale guy that I was telling you about right there.
Really?
I'm gonna grab some.
The future is local.